Hey, okay, now we have our base mesh all nice and cleaned up. Welcome to this lecture where we're going to be reprojecting, sorry about that, reprojecting the details our sculpt details that we sculpted to our low poly mesh. So if I open this guy and hide the low poly, you can see basically taking all these primary forms and reprojecting them to our low poly mesh. So to do this, it's a very simple step. Select the low poly, go down to this tool over here, which is the modifiers tool, modifiers properties, and then go to add modifiers actually don't apply to the mesh. So it's when we're working on destructively, we're gonna first add the multi-resolution. So basically what this does, it subdivides our mesh into number of polygons, so then we can subdivide or mesh, add more polygons to this. So it's a multi-res, and then the second one is the shrink wrap modifier. If I can find it, this guy over here. So this, we're going to be using this to project. Having this selected, now we need to select our target, which is the high poly. Click here, and I'm just going to go to beast high poly. That's our target. So we can't see nothing, so we need more polygons. So I'm just going to subdivide 1, 2, twice. As you can see, now it's reprojecting that all those details to our low poly mesh. Now what we can do also, once there's all this pinching going on over here, what you can do, you can go to your shrink wrap. Now the wrap method we're using is nearest to points. So if your base mesh is very far from the high poly mesh, it can't pick it up, as you can see over here. So we can change this to project, and then Adrian, you just killed everything. Oh no, don't worry about that. And then just to fix this, go check negative. Basically what negative does is it's gonna look on the inside and the outside of the mesh. I'm gonna select the horns and just press H to hide. You see this is still not working very fine. So I'm select the mesh on surface. You can use offset if you want to, which I haven't used before. How do you use this? And then just look around your mesh if there's any artifacts. As you saw there by the lip, we are getting artifacts, so we're gonna fix that. Just looking, everything looks clean except by the mouth. So I'm gonna hide all the horns here. Select our mesh and just look at this, and we can probably clean this up, but I believe this is an easy fix over here. So what we can do, select our modifier and then click apply to apply this in on our mesh. So we have applied the shrink wrap modifier. I can select our object and go to sculpt mode, and then I can just press shift to smooth that out, those artifacts. Just holding down shift, just smoothing that out. As you can see, not a problem at all. Over here, just grab this guy. So, yep, and that's that. Let's see. Now everything seems to be fine. So if I go to object mode, select this guy and shift H to isolate. Just look around and see if there's any areas. I doubt there will be, because this process is pretty much works. Oh yeah, under the inputs over here. So go back to sculpt mode, not tab, sculpt mode, and then press shift, just smooth that out. Very easy. Smoothing that out again, like so. If there's any pinching, and you can go down to the lower subdivision. And smooth these out also. And then go around just checking also if there's any errors. Looks fine with me. Okay, looks perfect. So that's for wrapping your high poly details to your low poly model. Just move back, go back to object mode, press S to save. And again, thank you guys for your time, and I will see you guys in the next one.